This is a colorful world. If you appreciate carefully, you will find it. Integrate colorful colors into work and life. And Easy Print will realize it for you. Guangdong Easy Print Technology Company Limited, a leader in the small smart flatbed printer industry. As a high-tech enterprise, Guangdong Easy Print Technology Company Limited has been focusing on R&D, production, and sales of smart inkjet printers such as UV, DTG, and DTF printers. Its own brand RefineColor is well known at home and abroad. We have a number of independent intellectual property rights and patents, and have obtained honorary certificates such as 3A level of quality and service integrity enterprise, and best-selling brand in China's industry, which fully confirms our outstanding performance in the field of intelligent technology equipment. All the equipment produced by our factory has passed the EU, CE, FCC, RoHS, 3C Korean KC certification, etc. Not only in line with national standards, but also in accordance with international quality system requirements. Over the past 8 years, we have continuously strived for excellence, have a professional hardware and software development team, and have made breakthroughs in the field of traditional UV printers. According to the needs of different factories, it can provide a complete set of innovative application, solution, and professional-level intelligent printing equipment for industrial manufacture. Our solutions include flatbed printer port and automated secondary development stocking, such as advertising, digital casings, food, textile printing, sporting goods, toys, cultural tourism, etc. Our solutions have been widely used in many industries. No matter what kind of UV printing equipment you need, Easy Print wholeheartedly meets your needs. Cloud printing UV equipment is one of the areas that Easy Print is most proud of. With our strong independent research and development capabilities, we have developed a variety of new practical and efficient cloud digital printing equipment. It can meet the printing of mobile phone cases, golf balls, t-shirts, food, and other daily products. Mobile phone scanning and ordering function is available and supports offline ordering, which greatly meets the personalized customization needs of the majority of users. Guangdong Easy Print keeps pace with the times and empowers your business with leading-edge smart devices and professional solutions. We firmly believe that only by creating value for customers can we realize our own value. Let's join hands together in creating a bright and colorful future.